Hi miss, how are you doing? This is Abdullah Khalid. This is my snake game features video. So I made a few slides to explain what I did, and I will show the code and also play the game. So the overview of the features I complete throughout the fourth sprint. The first sprint we analyze the code and we comment and develop the plan. As a group leader, I developed the plan, the Trello, Slack, everything. In sprint 2, my task was to exit console when enter key is pressed. And the second was to reposition the game over text to center. So I wrote a function for that. And the third one was to reduce the food relocation speed. And the food relocation is a bit altered because of sprint 4 now. I will explain that. Sprint 3 considers add bound mode to the game. Bound mode is the console window is now the wall. So if the snake head hits the console's boundary, the player loses the game. And sprint 4, my task one for the last one is for add game mode for player, which will display easy, medium and hard. So there is a set of criteria for each of them, which I'll explain in the next slide. So as you can see over here, the easy, medium and hard, each of them have 4 criteria set. So easy has the food disappear time. I put until 20 seconds, so the player has 20 seconds to grab the food. They get 3 lives, so if they die, their scores will be calculated from the same place. And the snake game the speed of the snake is a bit slow, and every time they eat one food, one obstacle is generated. Medium is a bit advanced from this one. 2 obstacles are generated when they eat a food. Snake speed is set to medium. 2 lives are given and food disappears within 14 seconds. Hard is like really challenging. So every time the player eats food, 4 obstacles are generated. Snake speed is fast, only 1 life is given to them, and food disappears within 10 seconds. So let's go and test it out. So the code part, first I play and show you, then I'll show you the code explanation. So when I start, so this is the ASCII code art, this written snake, and this is the list made easy, medium and hard. So the player can select, for instance, let's select easy. So we get 3 lives, as you can see on the top. We get 20 seconds food countdown timer every time the player eats 1. So let's say I eat one more obstacle is generated, which was this one. So we die and our 1 life is gone. So next here 2 lives left, 18 seconds, 17, like that. So if I choose medium now, I get only 2 lives and I have 14 seconds countdown, and when I get the food, 2 obstacles are generated, and if I hit the wall, that's the boundary, so the player dies. And the last one is the most challenging one, which is hard. So if I select hard, the speed is quite fast and I have only 6 seconds, and if I get the food, 4 obstacles are generated, as you see, and if I die, if I hit the obstacle, the game is over, so we don't have any more life. So that is all for the features. The code implementation is actually done in one function to make the list, which is this part, draw menu. So as we see in the screen, right, there is green background and white text, and there is a list, and this is actually made by this function, draw menu. So which detects the keys, and every time the user presses enter, then it goes to the requirements which were set. The requirements are set in the main. So list is made for easy, medium and hard, and every time, as the diagram I showed, easy has a set of criteria, medium has a set of criteria, so does the hard. And the ASCII art was created online and copy pasted here. So the art has a method which a way of writing it, so it's run inside the add function and inverted commas, and the width, window height and window size was given, and the color is given green to make it attractive. So that's all from my side. Thank you.